Today we will discuss about basic concept of assignment problem. This is introduction video. Assignment problem. Assignment problem. Assignment problem have four methods. First method, minimization case. Minimization case. Which is also known as Hungarian method. Hungarian method. It is also known as HAM method. And second method is maximization case. Maximization case. And third one is traveling salesman problem. Traveling salesman problem. And fourth one is air crew assignment. Assignment problem have four method. First, minimization case, which is also known as Hungarian method, HAM. And second one is maximization case. Third, traveling salesman problem. Fourth, air crew assignment. Always remember that matrix should be balanced one. In all these methods, matrix should be balanced one. If matrix is not balanced, then we have to create dummy. Matrix should be balanced one, otherwise we have to create dummy. Now I will show how we can create dummy. Like, here is a matrix A, B, C, and here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here assuming values 9, 8, 9, 10, 2, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 11. All these values are assuming. Now you can see there are 4 columns and there is 3 rows. Now this matrix is unbalanced. This matrix is unbalanced, so we have to create dummy. Dummy like dummy 0, 0, 0, 0. Very simple. Another example. See, here is A, B, C, D. 4 rows and 3 columns. Now, assuming value. Now, you can see. Example 1, example 2. Now you can see that this matrix is unbalanced because there are 4 rows and 3 columns. So this matrix is unbalanced. Now we create dummy to make this matrix balanced. Now it is balanced matrix. It is first requirement in assignment problem that our matrix should be balanced one. There are 4 types of method in assignment problem. Now, How we can solve minimization case. Minimization case. There are 3 steps to solve minimization case. First, row reduction. Row reduction. Second, column reduction. Column reduction. Third, make assignment. In maximization case, minimization case and maximization case is always given in a question that so that you have to solve this question with minimization case or maximization case. If information regarding maximization case is not given, then some indirect information are always given in a question, like indirect information like profit, cost or sale, or operator. These type of information are given in question. So we can assume that the question is of maximization case if such type of information is given. There is sales, not assume salesman, because salesman is also given in minimization case. So always assume cost or sale, profit or operator for solving maximization case. Now, to solve maximization case, there are 4 methods. In minimization case, there are 3 methods. In maximization case, there are 4 methods. First, convert maximization problem into minimization problem. Convert maximization problem into minimization problem. Second step, row reduction. Third step, column reduction. And fourth step, make assignment. We can discuss in detail how we can do row reduction, column reduction, or convert maximization problem in minimization problem in another videos in which we can solve whole question. Traveling salesman problem, where the matrix like this, where the diagonal is blank, then we can assume that the problem is of traveling salesman, where the diagonal is empty. In here the same steps are followed. First, row reduction, then column reduction, and then make assignment. Air crew assignment we will explain in another video. Explaining questions. We can discuss in detail all these topic in another video, where we can tell you how we can calculate row reduction, column reduction, make assignment. All these things in another video. Here is enough.